In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a chat on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your messaging section on LinkedIn. To do this, simply click on the messaging icon located at the top of your homepage. This is represented by an icon that resembles an envelope. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to your message list. Now that you're in your messaging area, it's time to filter your messages to access those that are archived. Look for the filter icon, which consists of 3 horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger icon. This is usually positioned at the top of your messages list. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select the option labeled Archived. This action will filter your messages, allowing you to see all conversations that you have previously archived. After you've switched to your archived messages, take a moment to find the conversation you want to unarchive. Now, it's important to note that in some cases, scrolling through a long list of archived chats can be a bit tedious, so be patient as you look for the specific conversation you wish to restore. Once you've located the chat you want to unarchive, you'll need to access additional options for that specific conversation. To do this, look for the More icon, which appears as 3 dots at the top of the chat window. Click on this icon and a small menu will pop up, giving you several choices to select from. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled either Unarchive or Restore. Click on that option, and just like that, your chat will be moved back to your main messaging inbox. It's a straightforward process, but very effective when you need to retrieve past conversations. Remember, unarchiving chats on LinkedIn doesn't only help you stay organized, but it also enables you to reconnect with important contacts and discussions that you may have deemed inactive at some point. So, if you find yourself needing to revisit an old conversation, this method serves as a simple way to reintegrate those messages into your active communications. As a tip, it's always good to regularly check and manage your archived messages to help keep your LinkedIn inbox organized. That way, you'll know exactly where to find important chats when you need them again. Thank you for watching How to Unarchive a Chat on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy networking!